always the worst part when you reach the Bojangles.
Yeah.
All right, we're good now.
All right, well, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to yet another day here on vacation. I decided to, here on Thursday, come up to the Scranton area. I haven't been up here in a while, and I wanted to hang out with Jay and see some of the places that he's seen recently. For starters, a place that I've seen in quite a few videos. I've seen people do photo shoots there. There's some daredevils that jump off it, but it's the Step Falls right here at Roaring Brook. I guess someone didn't need a couch.
Remember that bridge? We rode the trolley over there.
Yeah, and that's the one that takes us underneath.
Yep, the tunnel's right there.
Okay, cool.
Crown Ave Tunnel. You may even see that today. I saw it when I was here last time.
Yeah, cool. But we're not too far from, actually parked just down from the University of Scranton, and drove right by my hotel on the way here. So I may have to put you away for this, guys, because I'm probably going to need my hands. Well, Jay and I just kind of crab walked our way down from the platform up there. That was a little challenging, but we're going to make our way through the water here. Time to get wet.
Now, let me get you a seat.
Yeah. Compared to my hike that I did the other day down at Maryland Heights, that was pretty challenging. Unfortunately, the sandals that I'm using, my feet are sliding pretty good in them, so took some extra time because I don't want to twist my ankle. Plus, I also don't want to put my camera bag into the water and ruin my drone, so I'm going to take it nice and slow and steady. And Jay and I are hearing a train horn off in the distance. So not sure if that's coming from Steamtown or not. So it looks like when Jay was here last time, he said this tree wasn't here. And we're looking.
Right there it came from.
And that came right from up there. Boy, all that wind we had that one day.
That's a bat. Big ass tree.
Yeah. That's pretty neat. That is the trolley that Jay and I were talking about that leaves from Steamtown and actually goes right. They're right ahead of a tunnel there and goes all the way under the mountain. Pretty neat ride. So we're just down a little bit from the Step Falls there. You can hear them off in the distance. Jay said that the water is higher than it was the last time he was here, and that looks pretty deep right there. So I won't be going through that. I'll be making my way up the side here. Like I said, I can't get my bag wet. But, it's been a workout for sure. Some wings and a beer later is going to be really nice. And Jay's going to take a dip in.
I'm going to just investigate and see how deep it looks or goes. I don't know if I'm going to go all the way or not. We're going to see. This is always the worst part when you reach the Bojangles.
Yeah.
All right, keep it down.
That's up to Jay's waist. Jay's a little shorter than I am. He's about 5'11", and yeah, it's almost up to his stomach there.
There's like a cliff side here, so these rocks go down, and I think it's about waist deep the whole entire way, so I may go this way.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take a gander up the hill here, and
I'll let you know though.
so right down from the step falls. Jay's actually just below me, traversing. I think I can see it. Oh my gosh. But I gotta find some way. I think I can kind of crab walk down there. It's gonna get dirty, but that's all right. Made it down that steep little cliff there. If you want to see that action, watch Jay's video. I almost bought it, but I should have lowered my bag down first, but oh well. This is pretty neat in here. So as you can see behind me, we have all these you know, pine boards, some kind of retaining wall, maybe an abutment of sorts. You can see the underside of the concrete there. We'll come over here. And you can see off in the distance there the beautiful step falls.
So since Matt's here, I'm feeling a little bit daring, a little bit brave, a little bit curious. I do know this water is deep, and I think it's deep enough for me to jump in. I don't know what's at the bottom, but I don't see any obstacles or obstructions or items that could potentially hurt me. So I'm gonna go on the edge right here, hold my nose, jump in, and come out somewhere down there. All right, don't second guess yourself, Jay, just do it. Wish me luck.
I'd almost slide in rather than just jump in.
I think if I slide in, I'll take too much time and talk myself out of it. I just need to just do it. Oh, the shovel's out really quick here. I don't need my floaties. That wasn't too bad.
Did you hit bottom right there?
Yeah, I went under though, but I shelled off really quick.
You're like 6.5 feet.
I was explaining to them, with the depth of it and the narrow channel, probably a water wheel was here at one time. They were harnessing the power of the water.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Thankfully, I didn't need David Hasselhoff to save me.
Yeah. So not too bad.
That was actually fun. You want to do it too? All right, let's do it. All right, hold your nose. Oh, shit.
I'll give it a whirl. Yeah, so we're gonna try and cross right here. Jay said it is pretty strong. Okay. Well, I did take a little bit of a spill there, not too bad. It's good that, like Jay was saying in his video, it's good to have two people doing something like this, because if I would have lost my footing, I think I would have been swept down river. I probably would have been all right, but it's better safe than sorry. But luckily, I don't think the drone got wet. So I'm in a nice flat spot right here. Jay's gonna get ready to do some snorkeling. And yeah, let's send you guys up in the air. So Jay gets ready to hop in the water. We got the drone kit here. And I always do bring a change of clothes with me no matter where I go. So I always have that in my camera bag. And then got a little hard drive case there. There's a controller, but yeah, this should be some awesome sights. Flying the drone a bit and kind of taking a little breather. Jay and I are going to continue a little bit further up. We're going to leave our bags here. It's definitely going to be a lot easier to, especially if I fall in. I won't have to worry about getting the drone wet. Drone was fine. I didn't fly too close to the falls. But the big benefit, and one of the things I'm absolutely loving on this drone, is it has the standard I think it's a 28mm wide angle lens, but it also has a 70mm zoom lens. So places like this where there's a lot of spray coming off, a lot of mist coming off the waterfall there, I can zoom right in and get some really close-up shots. And plus too, not having the bag with me also helps my balance quite a bit, because as much as I love the drone, it is heavy. I think the my Mini 3 Pro weighed in at just under 250 grams. The Air 3 is like 789, so it's quite heavy. Plus, not to mention the change of clothes and everything else I have in the bag. It does kind of weigh me backwards a bit, but
Just try not to walk where it's already wet. That's pretty slick.
yeah.
Did you scrape up your legs when you fell?
Yeah. I'll live.
Scars.
I'm gonna get up close and personal. You see all the spray coming off here. Whew. And that does make these rocks really slick. Wow.
Yeah, it's like ice skating.
Yeah, these are, I mean, these sandals got some pretty decent tread on them, but I think Jay is going to go for a dip. I'm going to make my way around on the rocks here. We were able to get pretty close, find a way up the side here to get closer to the falls.
I wasn't able to touch last time, so I'm going to kind of move into it and keep you guys above water.
Oh, I'm gonna go this way. I just look at this structure right here. It looks like I could topple over any minute. Yeah, that would be something. But I mean, just look at this whole... Do you ever figure out what this is? Like an abutment or something? Or a mill?
Well, yeah, this is, I mean, retaining here, but this is all like a giant mill area, like upper and lower. I don't know what they were, producing, but it was 100% a mill.
Yeah.
There's actually another mill area down below the bridge that I did a video on a few years ago. It was all like foundations and stuff in the water. We had water wheels and pipes.
Well, after getting a little banged up, getting wet, almost falling, I don't know how many times today, we made it all the way to the falls and back. I decided not to try and climb up that hill there. It was going to be, Jay said it was pretty rough trying to get back up there. So we came through the water, was able to hold my camera bag over my head. However, I did forget that I have my keys in my pocket. So it's going to be interesting to see if I can start my car when we get back up top. But this was a great time. I want to thank Jay for having me out today. We got some more things planned for today, and then tomorrow I'm going to be heading down to Centralia and Concrete City on the way home to fly the drone and maybe do a video or two down in that area. But anyway, guys, I appreciate your time, and like always, we'll see you soon.